work. Okay, that's where I've come from. I'm on Twilight Beach. The campground is somewhere at the far end there, another couple of kilometres away. I can do it one tread at a time. I need it. I like micro camp. I'm the first person here, so dithering a bit, but oh, sorry. I think I'll choose this spot out of the wind. Just put my tent up. Okay, here's my spot. Socks and coats and whatnot drying in the breeze. Might have to bring a couple more pegs with me. I think I'd like to peg that out a little more in these windy spots, but we'll have to do for today. Okay, I'm off to find some water. It's very bright at the moment. Hopefully some of the beauty that I'm looking at over my cup of tea will be showing. My glasses are too dirty to see through, so I'm taking them off. I arrived here just on 4, so it took me about 4 hours, maybe 4:15. I got them away. It was hard. It was harder than I expected. The dunes were really challenging. I would be glad if I never see them ever again. I was alone here for about an hour and a half. 3 people have arrived now, so yeah. Kept being squally all day, but so I've made myself a nice cup of tea. I'm enjoying the view and yeah, just chilling, enjoying the fact that I'm here, which I wouldn't have done if I hadn't gone through all that hard work today. I wouldn't get to see this, so yeah.